it's Karen and Casey the cook, and today I'm making a chicken soup, and we have our leftover chicken here. We're going to put this in a large pot of boiling hot water, and we're going to add that into our water. We also have our gravy from yesterday with our carrots, potatoes, and we already have a little bit of wine in there and our seasonings. We're going to pour that in a little bit. We're going to put this in to make our chicken broth. It's going to bring out all the taste. And then we're going to pick the chicken off at the end. It's going to go right into a really hot boiling pot of water. Okay. And now we're also going to just give it a little shake in the pot. We have 2 large onions that I cut up and 4 stalks of celery. Okay, and we're going to put that right into the pot. Alright, now what we're trying to do is make a nice stock. Okay, this is going to cook for a little bit. And then we're going to pull the chicken out once we make the stock. Okay, now we're going to put 2 cans of chicken broth right in. Actually, 1 is okay also. We'll just put 1 for today. And if you feel that it's actually, the reason I'm doing that is because I put a little extra water in it and it might overflow, so I just don't want it to overflow. But 2 is better than 1. And we're going to cut our carrots. And we're going to throw them in. We'll cook this today for close to an hour and a half to 2 hours. Medium heat. I'm cutting my carrots about this size, about ½ an inch. I love the carrots. This is what I love the best, so I actually add extra carrots. And then once we get the soup together and the chicken pulled out, we're going to tear the chicken apart. We're going to rip apart all the meat. I'm going to put that aside and we're going to add that into the chicken, the soup. And we're going to either add in the pasta into the soup to cook, or we can even just boil it halfway through and then put it into the soup. But don't put too much pasta. It also has a little bit of potatoes, so I'm gonna put this carrots in. Almost finished with the carrots. Now we're going to add some of the gravy from last night's dinner with the chicken, potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit in. It's going to give it a nice taste. trying to get the carrots and celery instead of the potatoes. You could put the potatoes in also, but I'm not going to do that because I'm putting the pasta once it's all finished. Just trying to get all the gravy. And there we go. Give it a little bit of a mixing, just be careful. Okay, and then I'm going to add in a little salt. A little black pepper. A little tiny splash of Italian seasoning. Not too much, a little. Some paprika, not a little, just a little bit. Taste. I'm going to splash the seasoning salt. I'm also going to add in a dried piece of basil. And give it a wonderful taste. And we're going to let this cook and make a stock, and then we're going to pull out the chicken. So continue to watch, and I'll show you the rest of the video. And just mix this all in. And there it is. It's making a nice stock right now and cooking up. Onions and carrots small. So continue to watch when I pull out the chicken. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to add in the chicken and then put the pasta in, and then it will be done. Hope you enjoyed. Keep watching and have a great day. Bye. It's Karen, the Case of the Cook, and this is a continuation of my chicken soup. I put it in my cut chicken, and now we're going to add in our macaroni. Actually, a little. We're going to just put a little bit of it in. We're going to add just about 2 handfuls. Cook it right in there. And maybe a little bit more than 2 handfuls. That's really about it. Okay, now we're going to give it a good mix and cook this for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes more. And there's your chicken soup. Delicious. Take a look. There it is. Put it in a bowl with some Parmesan cheese on top and the delicious meal. I hope you enjoyed. Continue to watch and have a great day.